Okay guys, so we're going to do lesson 9. This is basically taking what we've been doing the last few days and turning them into word problems. So let's get going. Let's do a little green. Okay? Alright. Alright. So number 1. Come on, go ahead. Alright. An office space in New York City measures 48 feet by 56 feet. If it sells for $565 per square foot, what is the total cost of the office space? So a couple of things we need to know. We need to find out what the area of the apartment is. And area equals, basically it's base times, or length times width. Length times width. So I'm going to multiply first. Step 1 is multiply 48 times 56. And however you do this, that is up to you. If you want to use Linus, if you want to use area model, if you want to use partial product, break it down, do that. Okay? You can pause it and see if we get the same answer. Okay, so we got 8, 8, 2, 6. So according to this, it's 2,688 square feet. So now I got to take that information and multiply it by 565. So 2,688 times 565. Okay. Then I'm going to do it over here on the side. This is just another strategy I found. I'm going to multiply it by 60. So I'm going to slide the 0 over and drop it. 8, 2, 36, 12, 16. So there, write this. 8, 2, 1, 6. So it's going to be the same thing because it's a 5. So I know it's going to be 1, 3, 4, 4, 0. Because, yeah. So. Okay, now I'm going to add it. 4. Alright, what is the total cost? $1,518,720. That's a lot of money. But it's New York City. Okay, a lot of math, guys. Keep your numbers organized, neat. Sometimes the space is not big enough, so use your notebook. I prefer using your notebook just so that you don't erase it like on a whiteboard. Okay, let's do one more. Paying about 26 treadmills for $1,334 each, and she bought 19 stationary bikes for $749. How much did you spend on new equipment? Write an expression and then solve. Well, basically it's 26 times 1,334. I'll put that in parentheses. I'm going to add that to 19 times 749. Okay, so let's do this first. 4 times 26. It's like a 3-step problem, guys. 18. What's that? 18, 0, 8, 6, 6, 4, 8, 6, 3. So for these, it was $34,684. Now, 749 times 19, 1, 8, 36, 4, 63, 67, 0, 9, 4, 7, 14,231. All right, yes. So now I got to add because it says how much she spent on her new equipment. She spent a total of $48,915. So here's the answer. Here's the expression. All right. Check out the flow chart. Bye.